guys, welcome back. This is my sewing machine, a crude drawing of my sewing machine. It's directly connected to the power, obviously through a plug, and the light bulb, which is installed in the machine, is actually on all the time, directly connected through the positive and neutral wires. What it needs is a switch to be able to control that light. Otherwise I turn it on and it stays on 24/7. I have to unplug it. So here's the offender, the bulb with the wire that I can tell someone's already removed the switch and not bothered to put another one in. So we'll just carefully take this heat shrink wrap off. Now actually, by the look of it, there's a couple of layers here, so let's try and get all of that off. There we go, and as I thought, the what is that? Power wire is connected just with some solder, and they've short-circuited the switch. Now just check the length of the wires that will get to the hole for my next switch. But before that, I do need to use my soldering iron, so what I have is a need for a soldering iron stand. And I'm just stripping some wire down to make a spring-shaped, basically a spring-shaped cylinder that I can rest this hot soldering iron inside of. And this is pure copper wire. We'll put some locator screws in here, and the essential thing is not to drill through the timber and hit the table and through the tablecloth underneath. Let's put some screws in here. Well, yep, worst case scenario happened. Let's just twist this soft copper wire onto the screws, and it takes a bit to sort it out, but we'll mould it into shape so that this soldering iron can fit there nicely. Here we go. Back to the real mission. This is the lamp. All I have to do is unscrew the scrub screws and remove these wire contacts. Cool. Nice little switch. My soldering iron comes in handy. Let's melt the solder. And that gives us a nice couple of wire ends that are pre-soldered, which are really nice for screwing into switches and things. Just making sure all the wires are long enough to reach. And they seem to be just perfect. I thought I might have to solder on some extra wires there, but no. This one's a bit long. Don't want any exposed wire. Trim that off. And we're ready to fit it. See what happens. Goes quite to plan first time, and this isn't shutting properly. And the thing is, the wire route that I've got them going is just jamming the switch. Jamming between the switch and the housing, so just change that around. And by the way, my soldering iron's been working, my holder's been working, but no use wasting power, let's turn that off. Okay, and here we go, perfect. The wires are in place. Let's plug this in and see if it works. Success. And off. On again. And off again. Great. Awesome. See you guys next time.